Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make group chat on Messenger, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Messenger and tap the pencil icon at the top right. Here, tap Create a new group. Now select your friends to be added onto the group chat. You can also search the name of your friends to add to the group. Tap Next when done. Now create the name of the group. And tap Create. And that's how you make group chat on Messenger. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.